Hello students, welcome back to our channel Abhi Commerce Classes. In today's class, we are going to discuss Maslow's need hierarchy theory, which is also called hierarchy of need theory, which was given by Maslow in 1943. This theory is drawn on triangle shape, or you can say in pyramid shape, which starts from the bottom and reached at the top. In bottom, Maslow has given the first need of a person, that is a physiological need, second one is safety need, third one is social need, fourth one is esteem need, and fifth one is self actualization need. Okay, first of all, any person wants to fulfill his or her physiological needs, then only he or she can move towards safety need. And after safety need, they move towards social needs and then esteem needs, and finally on self-actualization need. So we study this theory from the bottom. So let's discuss each and every need one by one. First one is physiological need. Okay? PHY. Actually, here I have written something wrong. It is physiological need. Physiological need. Okay, so physiological need means the basic needs. Okay, basic needs, you all know what is basic need is. Basic needs are like food, water, shelter, clothes, etc. Okay, any person who doesn't have this all basic need, he cannot think about the next level need, that is safety need. So first of all, the person wants to fulfill his basic needs, that comes under physiological need. He needs food to eat, water to drink, shelter to live, and clothes to wear. Okay, then only he or she will move towards safety needs. And safety need includes physical needs, physical safety. Physical safety means safety from accident, or health safety, health benefit, etc. And then second one is economic safety. Economic safety includes job security, arrangement for old age, etc. Here job security means secured permanent job. Everyone wants permanent job. Okay, and arrangement for old age means arrangement like life insurance and the pension scheme, gratuity scheme, or investment for a future. This all comes under arrangement for old age need. So these two things comes under economic safety. Okay, and physical safety include accidental safety or health safety, etc. So after fulfillment of safety need, that person move towards social need. And what is social need? Social need is nothing but love, affection, need of friends, family, to whom one can share his or her feelings. Once a person fulfill his physiological need and safety need, then only he or she can think about fulfillment of social need. Under social need, they want to make some friends, they want to involve in family gathering, and they want love affection from them and want to give back them love affection, so that mutually they can share their emotions and feelings. Then after fulfillment of social need, esteem need. Esteem need is what? That is prestige. In what you can say? Prestige. Everyone wants prestige in society or among his or her group. After fulfillment of social need, it is very important for any person, or you can say they automatically wants to show off. He has already been involved in society. He has made some friends. Now he is going on family functions. To his meeting with his her relatives. So now he or she wants to be special among them. Okay, so and he or she want to create some prestige among his or her friends or family. So to better understand esteem needs, so let's take one example. Suppose you and means you have your five friends, including you. You have five friends, okay, and they all are very good friend of your, and one of your friend bought a new car, purchased a new car, okay. So what he will do? He will come to you, all four members or four friends, and he will just show off his new car. Why? Because he want some prestige or specialization, speciality among you all five. Okay, you all four. So here he is fulfilling his esteem need. He wants to show that now he is somewhat special among you five. Okay, so this comes under esteem need. Everybody wants to some show off in his her life, and after showing off, nothing left, only left self-actualization. Self-actualization need is the big need, which includes self-improvement, social work, working on his or own way. Self-improvement means fulfillment of dream. Here, every person wants to fulfill his dream or her dream. Like if I wanted to be a painter, but I did not get time. So in this situation, in the self-actualization need situation, I would like to do that. I would like to fulfill my dream. I would like to make some painting, draw some painting, or if it was my dream to do some social work for society, so I will go for that. Means I will do whatever I like, whichever satisfy me. Okay, self-satisfaction work will be done here in under self-actualization. So these all are the process under which a person behave, or you can say it shows the needs of person which are related to each other. Once the physiological needs should be fulfilled, then safety need, then social need, then esteem need, then self-actualization need. Okay, and this is really a very useful theory which was given by Maslow in each and every aspect of life, and also in organizational level. So I hope you all have understood what we have discussed now, and for better understanding you can now go with some notes. You should prepare some notes for that. In this lecture I have just explained you basic of this theory, and I hope that you will do some more work on this. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, and if you have some doubt, just put some comment, give some comment about this video. Thanks for watching.